Welcome to Farewell Fridays at Gateway Bronco. This week's delivery is headed to Kansas City, Kansas. This is a genuine 1968 Bronco with a proprietary suspension developed in partnership with James Duff. That's only the beginning. That's the foundation of this vehicle, but check out the paint. This is a custom color to match the owner's logo. Let's take a look at the interior. It's white leather with green stitching to match the exterior paint, SeaDek on the flooring, barnwood in back, and this amazing Freedom top at the push of a button. This is bespoke built vehicles built on an assembly line. We are delivering dreams to driveways every week. If you'd like to learn more how to turn your dream into a reality, please give me a call. Thanks so much for joining, and let's take a ride together.